Hello and welcome to another Web Manager demonstration. In this one we're just going to show you how to set a background image on a text element. So here's just a dummy page, just a demonstration page. The text here is just standard Latin text, just for effect. But here at the bottom we've got a continue. Well, it will effectively become a link, but what I want to do is apply a background image, as if when you click on that link it will take you to another page, but I want the background to make it look like a button rather than just a bit of text. So I'm going to click on that by left clicking on the element, and whilst it's highlighted I'm going to go up to this option here to add it says add a background color, but it also lets us add a background image. So here under background image we click this button. The image I want to use has already been uploaded, and it's called green button BG, so I'm just going to go and scroll down and look for that. Okay, here it is, green button BG. So I'm just going to click on that and then I'm going to click set background. Okay, so now it's calling that in as the background. I don't want it to repeat in any direction, so I'm going to click no repeat, and now I'm going to click apply. Okay, so you can see it's applied that image now, and made it the background to my text element. So what I want to do now is just style the text a little bit to make it look like it belongs to that image. So I'm going to open up the text editor, and the first thing I'm going to do is center it, and then I'm going to scroll over it, make it bold. I'm going to make it a bit bigger still, and then I'm going to make it white so it stands out against the green background. So now when I click apply, you can see it looks like it belongs to that button. Now the other thing you might notice is it sits a little bit lower than I want it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click background again. I can play with these options. You've got background attachment here, and you've got background position. That's background position we're interested in. At the moment the background image is aligned to the top left, so it'll always position itself 0 pixels from the top and the left. So I want to make it center. So I'm going to click this option here, center, so it's centered in the X direction and in the Y direction. So now when I click apply, you'll see it move. Okay, so now as I drag that down, you can see I can align it perfectly, exactly how I want it. Okay, so effectively there what I've created is a little button, but all I've done is applied a background image, which could have been any image, to a text element. So now I'm going to click save, and now we're going to view it live. So I'm going to right click here to open the link in a new tab. Okay, so now that's my new tab, that's my kind of dummy text, and there's my continue button. The next thing I would do is turn that into a link, so when someone clicks on that it takes them to the page that I want them to go to. So it's quite straightforward. That's how you apply background images to text boxes. It works exactly the same for containers and forms, and there's other elements as well which make use of background images. Okay, so thanks for watching.